Hey there, Smiles Pitcher Superior Lending. Happy Wednesday to you. Take a look at these rates today. On the chart, first you can see we've been moving sideways. Nice to see our rates stabilizing, the volatility disappearing a little bit. This is good for our lenders and our servicers. The Federal Reserve is meeting right now, and we suspect that they're going to keep the Fed fund rate at 0%. Please be aware and make sure your clients know that Fed fund rates at zero does not mean that interest rates for mortgages are at zero. They are low, but we are not tied to the Fed fund rates. So we'll talk more about that on another occasion, but I wanted to talk about jumbo loans today. The jumbo loan market has dried up. All the jumbo lenders are gone. So I want to show you today how to structure this so that you can still get your jumbo loans done. So what we do is we do a first-second combo, and many of you may be familiar with this. We do a first mortgage up to the conforming loan limit, which is 510,400. That's Utah County. Salt Lake County and Wasatch County, other counties, that is true. It's also 510,400, but they have a loan that goes up a little bit more. It's called a super conforming loan. But this is still a great strategy. We do a 510,400 first mortgage at or below 80% loan to value. Then we do a second mortgage, a HELOC that goes up to 90% CLTV. That means combined loan to value. So the first mortgage and second mortgage combined go to 90%. And then the client brings in a 10% down payment. Let's look at an example. So if we had a home in Utah County getting purchased at $650,000, we would do for them a first mortgage of 510,400. Therefore, it's a conforming loan. They get a great rate on it, and that puts them at a 78.5% loan to value. At the same time, we do a simultaneous second for 74,600. And that brings us up to a 90% combined loan to value. So we have a 21.5 HELOC. The client then is bringing in a down payment of 10%. Yeah, I had this call yesterday from a realtor who said, hey, your client just made an offer on this home. Can you guys really pull off a jumbo loan? And yes, we can. This is how we do it. Many banks and credit unions have pulled back on what they'll do on home equity lines right now. Our HELOC lenders have held the course. They're still doing them, going up to 90%. This is a great way to get those done. Make sure that your clients can fit in and get those jumbo loans done. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys are being safe and having a great week. We'll talk soon. Thanks.